Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 16th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the US dollar is definitely drifting down right now. That we need to keep in mind that the monthly, the weekly, and the daily is all down. That means that anything we see to the upside could possibly just be nothing more than a pullback to the downtrend. And there's always a chance that it just keeps on going down. Now, to me, on this 1 hour time frame, it definitely looks like a possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like it could be like a wave A or maybe even a wave one. This right here definitely looks like it could be possibly either a wave B or a wave two. So watch those Fibonacci levels very closely. If it takes out this low, respects to 61 or the 78%, makes a big dramatic turn there, like a nice engulfing move to the upside, then there probably is a really good chance that it does go up and make a wave C or possibly even a wave three, which would definitely be a pretty nice entry on the dollar pairs themselves. Just keep in mind what I said at the beginning of the video, which is that the trend is down on every single higher time frame. And no matter what we see on these sort of time frames, it may actually just keep on going down because, as always, the trend is your friend. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.